This is something I wanted to do for ages. I have these Jordan 1's that I've had for some time that I was like, you know what, I really want to vamp them up, make them a bit more me. So I decided, why not try a hand at bedazzling them.
Okay, I'm so excited. So first, I went and bought some gems off of Amazon. I like these gems. They come in a bunch of different sizes, so that way I could change up the size depending on the part of the shoe. E600 glue. This glue was great. And some tools that I had no clue how to use until the end. First, going in with the glue, I put it onto the shoe. Originally, I tried to dip the jewels into the glue and then add them on, but it was really slowing me up. So I figured out just by making my finger tacky with the glue, picking up the jewels and then popping them on. It was super helpful and went by much quicker than picking them up one by one. I used the smaller gems initially, but then I went in with these bigger gems to finish it off. I wanted it to be small and narrow towards the smaller part of the shoe, but then going down, make the gems a bit bigger. This helped time, and I think I really just rather that look. And then if I had any little loose areas that needed them, then I would put the little gems. Like here, I just outlined it so that way I could fill in the bigger gems inside of the outline that I make here. So here we are starting on the other shoe, and this one went way quicker. In here, I just went on to Etsy to look at how much shoes like this would normally go for that are custom with gems, and it was pushing about $200 just for some gemstones on the Nike checkmark. So to show that you can do this by yourself for cheap, Amazon, a few gems, a little glue, and it actually was a really fun project. In here, I used the stylus, which saved on so much time. I just made the end of the stylus tacky and then picked up the gems super easily. At this point, I figured I was done. This was exactly what I was looking for. This type of look was what I wanted to do, but knowing me, I decided to do more. So here we have me adding entirely too much glue to a different part of the shoe to add a few more gems to it. And you can literally see the gems falling because I have so much glue on it. And I really like this glue because it goes a long way and it doesn't dry automatically like a super glue would. So you have plenty of time before it sets to maneuver them, change them, which I did pretty often if I didn't like where they were positioned initially. And as I went on here, I would maneuver them around, change them up, but I would also use the smaller gems in between the big gemstones just to fill in a little bit of the gaps and overall just change a few things. As you see here, I was adding a little gem in the corner but struggling at it because that was kind of the mission, constantly just happening. And then I added 3 little diamonds onto the Jordan ball. It just came to me out the blue. I don't know, I was having a lot of fun during this, so I just wanted to do a little extra, and that was just a little razzle dazzle. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this inspired you to try something new and something you already have in your closet and you can vamp it up. And I really liked how they turned out. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Bye!